In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save charts in TradingView using autosave step by step. If you've ever spent time analyzing a chart and worried about losing your work, autosave is the simplest way to keep everything secure in the cloud without having to think about it. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how it behaves so you can focus on your analysis with confidence. Start by looking at the very top of your TradingView chart. You'll see the main toolbar running across the screen. Locate the Save icon. It looks like a small cloud. Go ahead and click it. This opens a quick control for saving options related to your current chart layout. It's easy to miss if you've never used it, so take a moment to make sure you've got the right icon before you proceed. Inside that small panel, you'll see an option labeled Auto Save. Toggle Auto Save to On. When it's on, you'll notice the switch changes its state, indicating that automatic saving is now active. That's all you need to do to enable it. From this point forward, your chart will save automatically whenever you make changes. Add an indicator, draw a trend line, move a level, adjust your chart settings. Auto-save will capture those changes for you in the background. You may notice a brief saved status near the top after edits, which is a helpful reassurance that your updates are being stored. Since this is cloud-based, a stable internet connection helps ensure your changes sync quickly and reliably. If you ever want to stop automatic saving, for example, when you're experimenting and don't want those test changes to be kept, open that same Save Cloud icon again and toggle Autosave to Off. This simply pauses automatic updates, so your current layout won't be modified by any temporary tweaks you make. When it's off, remember that changes you make won't be captured automatically. So use this option intentionally when you want to protect your existing setup from casual edits. That's the entire process. Click the cloud icon on the top toolbar, switch Autosave to On, and your chart updates will be saved automatically as you work. If you need to pause that behavior, click the cloud again and toggle Autosave to Off. With this small feature enabled, you'll reduce the risk of losing your work and keep your analysis consistent across sessions. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.